Hello kings, hello queens. We got a new type of video today, you guys. I am going to be doing a hair tutorial. So I'm actually really excited for this because this is going to be my first time trying this style. I'm going to be doing passion twists. As you guys could probably already tell, I have already prepped and, well, this is freshly blow dried hair and it's already been parted, and I'm currently doing the rubber band method just because still a beginner trying to do this. But yeah, I'm going to be doing passion twists on my hair. I ended up getting 5 packs of hair in those style water wave. Both of them are the same style as water wave, just 2 different colors. As you can see, this is red and then black and then all black because I don't know, I'm just obsessed with red. But I got 5 packs, and I got my handy dandy crochet needle, my olive oil hair gel, edge taper, whatever you call it, and yeah, let's just get this started. Okay, so right now, you guys, I am currently just parting my hair, and I'm doing the rubber band method for my hair. I said this in the intro too, but I'm not gonna fully record the whole thing, but you'll see. But this is what it's looking like so far. I have this little part left, and then this side, and then I'll be done. But yeah, anyways, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Peace. Oh, I really wanted to show you guys what my hair looked like in the back because I didn't think y'all got a chance to look. But check it out. I tried my best, and I honestly think I did a pretty good job. But that's what it is in the back. Yeah, this is my hair, you guys, parted and everything. Just to get this process going a little bit faster, I've already separated my hair and I've already put them into pieces. And then, yeah, now it's just time for me to just start putting these bad boys in. All right, y'all, so I really don't know what happened to this part. I am missing a lot of footage. I thought I was recording, but apparently my phone said otherwise. But this is like a quarter of the way done, and I just repeating the same steps all throughout my hair, just crocheting each little rubber band section in.
One eternity later.
I know it's been a whole 2 days later, but my hair is completed and done. I forgot to show you guys when I actually did it. I was just wicked exhausted, so I was like, they could see a picture. And yes, I have clothes on, you guys, but I was like, they could see a picture. It's cool, they're good. But yeah, final product, you guys, my twist. How do you guys think I did? Let me know. This is my first time ever too, so let me know in the comments below. I'll catch you guys in my next video. It's gonna be a lit vloggy vlog this weekend, and yeah, bye.